Hello, what do we have for lunch here? Just got back from the Flying Pig lunch truck, or food truck. This is my first time. We ordered a crunchy tofu bun and a spicy pork bun. This is $6 worth of food. I'm sorry. That's a pork belly bun, not spicy pork. It's a pork belly bun. This is the crunchy tofu taco. Well, it should be the crunchy tofu bun, but I guess the receipt says the same thing. Anyway, it's my first time at the Flying Pig truck. $6 worth of food. I'm gonna give it a try. I usually get disappointed with the size of the food from these food trucks, but you know, if I wanted more food, I would have gone somewhere else. And I'm usually getting this stuff for taste, not for quantity. So I'll take a bite of the tofu first. Wow, that's really good. The bun is actually bao. You know, same kind of stuff you find at a Chinese dim sum. Really soft and fluffy. And I'm getting that tofu satisfaction. And it is just moderately spicy, but you know, it's pretty good. I'd get that again. So here's the pork belly. Oh wow, that's good. That is good. Yeah, that's good stuff. Oh wow, I go back. Thumbs up, thumbs up. I'm gonna stop now so I can finish my lunch. Alright, bye.